up, guys? This is Mitch with SC Wake out here in Lake Havasu. Today we'll be showcasing our Gorrilla golf carts. We're offering our SC Mudz mats on these carts so we can do any color combination, design, logos you'd like, just to set your cart apart from the others. Another unique feature on these carts is they come with a factory stereo with a 10-inch display, and then we also have options for upgraded stereo packages with 10-inch sub. They have all stainless hardware for longevity, nice lithium-ion batteries with 5-year warranty. Come check out our inventory at our beautiful Lake Havasu showroom, or give us a call to order yours today.